Hi everyone! So today I'm surrounded by these beautiful autumn trees. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna collect some autumn leaves and make some crafts for you and for your kids. You can actually turn these leaves into a lot of characters. Cut out the stems first, so you got that perfect shape. I am using PVA glue to stick them on today. I love googly eyes, they make any craft come to life. The bigger leaves are perfect for this. You got a lot of space to play around, isn't it? Now some legs and some hands to complete my little leaf man. You can be creative with your own name. Oh, that smile is very important. Next, I have these two half circles cut. I'm going to glue it on to make a big circle. Let's glue the leaves onto it now one by one. This could be your little DIY autumn wreath for your home. I love drawing fancy faces. It makes me happy to portray women. Did you know that they say a woman's face is her work of fiction? Of course, a smile. Now she's going to have this little ancient Greek goddess vibe on her look. Put some glue on to the forehead area, and now I'm going to complete her look with her crown. My final creation is the gardener's friend. That's the hedgehog. Did you know that they were best friends with dinosaurs? They were. I'm adding leaves onto its body rather than some sharpie spines. Some more glue on to add some more leaves. Okay, and two tiny legs to finish. So I hope you enjoyed watching my creations. If you haven't subscribed to Mrs. Sparkles yet, subscribe now.